Hello, welcome to the demonstration of the U-Turn Detector Indicator. So today I am going to explain to you the intricate details about this indicator and show you how to use this indicator. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So now we are going to the chart. So this is the appearance of the U-Turn Detector Indicator. This is how it appears. So as you can see, it has the red lines, horizontal lines, and the green horizontal lines. Also, we have this middle red line. We have the envelope lines here, you can see. So this upper dotted line is the upper line of the envelope, and this red dotted line here below, this is the the lower line of the envelope. Also, we have this silver line, upper line, this one here. This is part of the extension of the moving average. This red moving average here, we extend it upward, and also we extend it downward here. You can see also this silver line upward here. So it creates a like envelope of lines so that we can use them in our trading. So you can see now also we have the labels of strong resistance for the lead horizontal lines. We have the strong resistance, we have the very strong resistance, as you can see here. So we have the retest number, as you can see. Also we have this green support labels here. We have the support, strong support label. We have the weak support label here. Also we have the very strong support with the retest of 2. So that's how this indicator is designed. So we'll be using this indicator to make analysis of our chart. Okay, so let's go to the input section and see what we can do with input. Yep, let's check the input. We go to the indicator, the U-Turn Detector Indicator. So you can see here in the input we have the envelope. You can either allow the envelope to be visible on the chart or not. You can allow the moving average or disable it. You can extend the lines to the right side. I will show you how to extend this. Also we can show the red line. We can choose or to show or to hide the red lines. You can see here. Yep, it is true. Now the red lines are visible. If I put false, the red lines will not be visible. You can see now the red lines are not visible. So let's go back to edit the indicator. You can see now if I choose to extend the lines to the right, you can see, let's see, now the lines are extended. So let me tell you one thing. If you choose a big number of bars that you want to look back, and then you extend the lines, there will be this kind of clouded lines here, as you can see. So if you want to extend the lines to the right, make sure that you use the minimum or small number of bars to look back, so that you don't get this kind of crowded lines. Okay, so let's go back to the input and see what else we can set here. We have the option to choose to show the green lines. So before that, let me choose not to extend the lines for now, so that we have this kind of clear chart. Yep, let's go back now. So we have you can choose to show the green line. Okay, also we can choose to show the blue line. So by default these blue lines are not shown because of that cloudedness of line, and we want our chart to be very clear so that we can see the signals and do the analysis in an easy way. Okay, so let's see. You see, this is what is happening. So it's better to not use these blue lines. So, and if you want to use them, make sure that you minimize the number of bars to look back so that you have less of this. Okay, so let's continue with the input section. You can, so now I choose the check bars to be 20,000, but by default it is something about 300. So you can extend this. Also the line length, you can choose whether to increase this or decrease it. So let me now disable the blue lines first, and then we continue from there. Yep, no blue lines is visible now. Okay, also you can the default colors, yeah, and whatever, you can also adjust them and set them by your preference, but the upper things, do not touch them. Do not touch these settings, because they're the ones that are giving these signals, default signals. So yeah, that's how the indicator is set. Yep. So this is the U-Turn Detector Indicator version 1, and I will maybe improve it later in the next days. So let's continue. This is how the indicator is designed. It's smart, and as you can see, it is good for analyzing charts. This indicator is for serious people who want to make changes in the Forex industry. So yeah, so this envelope, we are going to be using them for ads, for targeting our profit. So let's say you enter the trade here, the profit goes here at the upper lines. Okay, that's how we use this. Also, if you enter a sell trade near this middle red line or the moving average, then you put your take profit near these lower envelope lines. Okay, that's how we're going to be using this. Yep, so that's how we're going to be using this. Yep, so you can see here, the signal was generated here, the U-turn signal was generated here, and the candle respected this signal, and then the price moved back up until it hit this moving average. It went back down to the lines, and then moved back up again, and then came down again. So you can see this moving average is also used as a support or resistance line. So when the price is below this middle moving average, we expect the moving average to act as a resistance line or zone. Also, if the price is above this moving average, we expect the moving average to be used as support, as you can see here. That's how we use this indicator. Okay, so here the price was above, it used this moving average as support, it went up, back again, break below this moving average, then it used it as a resistance, then it kept pushing down. You can see here. So when the price is far below this lower envelope, then we know that the price is oversold. But when the price is above this upper envelope, we know that the price is overbought. Okay, so that's how we use this. Also, we will be, in some cases, we will be using this upper envelope lines or this dotted line as a resistance or support. So then move to some pairs to see if we can get that kind of demonstration. So you can see, for example, here we use the lower envelope here as support. The price respected this moving average, red moving average, as resistance. It went down, it came back to the resistance, went down. Here it hit this zone here, then we got a signal. That is another conference for confirmation, and then the price went up, and then now we can see the price is trading near this support line, which turns into resistance line now, and is near this moving average. Then we can see the price is was dropping here after it hit this zone here, and we got a rejection. So yeah, another thing I wanted to say is all about the rejection. So when you get this rejection or candles, yeah, you can see this when you get maybe the shooting star near this resistance zone. This is a very, very powerful indicator that the price will fall. Yeah, let's go back to another chart. Let's go back to another chart to see. So I am on 1 minute time frame because this is the best time for this indicator, and I prefer using it on 1 minute time frame. Also, you can switch to 5 minute time frame and see how the price behaves. Here again, the price is respecting this middle moving average line as a resistance. Then it comes back here in this support zone, and then we get a signal, U-turn signal. The price comes back here and then failed to continue up due to the weakness in the candle momentum, and then the price is falling back down again. Here the same thing continues, as you can see. So now what I wanted to demonstrate, I told you about us using this zone here as a resistance zone. As you can see, the price hit this moving average using it as support. Where do we expect the resistance to be? Is literally at this level here, and you can see the price has been respecting this level as a resistance, and then it fall to this support zone here. You can see. So sometimes the price will be using this these lines as support as well to get support and move back up. As you can see, the price as soon it hit this dotted blue line, then the price went up. Yep. So there are rules that are guiding this indicator, and when you master the rules, then you will be able to trade well with this indicator. Okay, so you can see the price here, it formed the double bottom, and then we get this U-turn signal. The price went up, came back to this zone here, it respected the support, and then it went up until, so if we entered here, put our stop loss below this just below this envelope here, and then put our take profit. The first take profit will go here, and the second TP will go here, and you can see that both TPs will be hit. The first one hit here, and the second one will be hit here. So you can see how this tool is powerful. You can see, I was talking about the rejection candle. You can see here we get this hammer here, and then the price shoot up. Yep, that's how we use this tool. You can see you need to be looking for the rejections, yeah, like this here. Yep, you can, maybe you get a doji, yep, and then the price goes up like this. Put the first take profit target here, the second take profit was hit again, so you enter somewhere here, or after this, the first entry will be here, and the second entry will be here after this what we call break and reclaim. Yep. So you can see that's what is happening, and it is continuing to happen day and day. You can see the price went back here, hit the resistance, came down, went back here, hit the resistance, boom, and there is a big gap respecting the what? The lines, yeah, respecting our indicator, and then hit down here, and then it shot up again after forming a double bottom. You can see, guys, this is a very powerful tool that you can use for your advantage. Then the price respected our perspective and trading system. Then the price hit this resistance zone here. The price came back down. It went back again to respect our system, I mean the resistance of the system. Then the price dropped until it hit this zone here. Let's see what the price did. The price fell to move up to form another lower high, and then the price kept dropping. It kept dropping, and then the price went back, hit this, used this line as a resistance. Now that's what I was saying, and then the price kept dropping. Then we get the U-turn signal, indicating that the price is ready to U-turn. Yeah, so that's how you use this indicator, guys. That's how you use this indicator. Yep. So let's now switch to the rule parts. You can use this indicator to turn every market reversal into a money-making opportunity with the U-turn detector indicator. Imagine having a tool that visually reveals the exact moment price is about to flip. So this U-turn indicator, it has a red resistance zone, as we saw. We have the green support zones as a result line, but it is a zone, and then we have the black zone, the magic areas, and this we are going to draw them in manually, okay, as I will show you later in this demonstration. Okay, why you will love this tool? Because it is an August, it is trade ready entries, it is perfect for scalping, day trading, and swing setups. It works with any pair, any time frame, and any session. It is easy to read, it is clean and smarter. You can customize it by turning off and on some settings in the input section, as we saw. Okay, how to use it like a pro. So step one, you need to spot the zone. Okay, so you need to watch for the zone to form. The green is potential, you can use it as a buy area. You have the red, potential for sell zone. You have the black zone, which we're gonna draw it manually as a magnet for big and massive movement. Okay, so a zone with retest at least 3 or above 3 is a high confidence area. Okay, step 2, you need to match the pattern. You need to match the pattern rules. So we have the 10 trading rules and plus the black zone logic that we're gonna use them as a conference to our trading advantage. Okay, the U-turn detector doesn't leave you guessing. It comes with 10 battle-tested price action strategies that are designed to help you catch reversals, breakouts, and fake out traps with precision. Let's break down the rules again. So rule number 1 is about break and reclaim strategy. So as you can see here on this chart, we have a buy setup for break and reclaim strategy. So you can see here, we have the green support here, and we have the green support again. In the middle we have the red resistance line. So in the formation of these lines, this upper green support will form first, and then followed by the resistance line, then followed by the green support line. So the price comes down here, it goes up here, it hit this resistance line here, and then it break out the resistance line, the price comes back, retest the resistance line, now flipped as a support. Yep, this is the, we say this is the, you can have the second entry here, and then the price goes up and then comes back, reclaim this zone again. Then we have a rejection, weak candle here, then the price continue to go up. Yeah, so you enter, either you enter the trade here or somewhere here, put your stop loss below this support line here, and then your first TP goes here, and then the TP will be hit, and then the second TP you put it on the envelope. Yeah, so that's how you use this first to break and recreate. So the price will break the line and then go up, come down again to retest the line before it goes up. So it is break and reclaim. So that was for the buy setup. For the sell setup will be the opposite of that. So we can see here, break and reclaim sell setup. So the price, after hitting the resistance line here, the price is breaking from this zone here. So this is number one, the price is breaking, yeah, and then it goes back down. After that, the price come back to reclaim the zone here. It's reclaim the zone, and then from there you enter trade here, put your stop loss above this. You can put it above the moving average, but it's good to put it above the nearby resistance line here, and then put your take profit target near this the lower line of the envelope, as you can see. So that's what happened. You sell it here, the price reclaim here, breakout happen here, and then a reversal for the price to complete the setup for break and reclaim sell trade. So let's now move to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is about cluster trap breakout. So what happens is you have a cluster of support and the resistance lines. So what the price will do is to break these cluster line. So you can see the price broke here. Yeah, the price broke the cluster lines here, went up, and then came back to retest. Yeah, the cluster trap breakouts. It came back to retest. So you can buy here. Yeah, you can put your first take profit here. Yeah, as the nearby high, or you can put it far above, or you can target a number of certain pips, as you can see. So that was rule number 2, and this is a sell trade for that rule. We have rule number 3, which is support stack exhaustion. Support stack exhaustion. So you have support lines, the price breaks below these support lines, come back to retest, go back down, the price is coming back into the zone to retest, and then the price falls, so you can sell somewhere here. That was support stack exhaustion. Rule number 4 is double tops and flip. Double tops and flip, you can see. So here you have the double bottom here, double bottom, 1, 2, it's double. Now the price is flipping to the upside down, so you can buy here, or you can also buy here after the price is respecting this resistance that has been flipped into support line here. Put your first TP here, your second TP to the second envelope, upper envelope line. So this is the sell setup, the double top and flip setup. You can see the price is forming the double top, and then the price is dropping after that. Yep. So get time and to go through this. I will leave a link in the description below for you to access these rules and take time to go through them. Rule number 5 is flip confirmation and continuation. Yeah. So what is happening? The price is retesting this line here. We have a rejection count here. The price come back, reaches the resistance line, then break above this line. You can see, and then this now the resistance line is flipped into support line. Then the price continues to go up. So this is a retest. The first retest, the second retest, the third retest, and then you buy here. You put your first TP maybe here, the second one, or you can put the first TP here and the second TP here, and that is what happened. The sell setup for that, you can see. So we have the double tops here, then the price break below the support, the price come back to retest and confirm the setup, then the price is dropping from there. That is the rule number 5, flip confirmation and continuation. So rule number 6 is weak resistance trap sell. Weak resistance. So when we are in a downtrend, these green lines will be acting as weak resistance lines. So what happens is that weak resistance forms, then price fails multiple times, then bearish engulfing and break down, then you sell. So what happens is we have the weak resistance forming somewhere here, and then the price is going down, then come back to retest this weak resistance. Weak resistance, and then the price is varying from there. So you can sell somewhere here, because we see the price is hitting this weak resistance. It was support line that turns flipped into resistance line. Then we have the price hitting again the middle moving average as the resistance. So we have two confluence there, and then we have double tops formed here, and then the price is dropping. So you sell there, you can also sell here, and also you can sell here because of this confluence. We have the price hitting the weak resistance there, the green line, and then the price is also hit this we can say this strong resistance, and then the price fell from there, as you can see. The same thing, we have the price hitting this now, because the price was down, it is coming back to this line here. We use it as a resistance line. Then the price is forming double tops there, and then after hitting this weak resistance, then it breaks below this line, below the green line, and then the price continues to fall from there. Okay, so you can have multiple selling opportunities here. So the first one, the second, the third, the fourth, or even here. So what happened? The price hit the resistance lines, price the moving average above, then you sell hard. That's how you use this indicator to trade like a pro. So what happens is, when the price hit a black zone and it forms a U-turn near a green or red lines, then you have a high probability setup. So what you need to do is to combine the retest count, the zone type, and the black zone behavior to create sniper precision entries. The more alignment, the more explosive, the more. Okay. So step 3, you need to enter with confidence. Once a setup forms, the entry on a breakout or flip retest, the stop loss just outside the confirmed zone, then take profit at the next opposite zone, or use a trading stop. What makes this tool different? So unlike lagging indicators, the U-turn detectors think like a pro trader. It's showing structure and retest logic. It filters out the noise, highlighting only strong actionable zones. Also, it adapts to market flow, helping you trade breakouts, reversals, or traps. You don't chase, you wait, confirm, and strike. Let to flip the market in your favor. Whether you are scalping, intraday, or planning swing trades, this tool helps you enter area, risk less, and profit more. And most importantly, trade with calm confidence. So that is it, guys. That is it. So to remind you, I have 2 books that will be covering this strategy in complete and make you one of the advanced traders ever. So the first part of the book, it will cover the foundations of trading, but also introduce you to this U-Turn Detector strategy, to the master of this strategy. It will introduce you to the master of this strategy. And the part 2 is where the game changes. Part 2, it will teach you the rules. It will mentor you. It will make you one of the best trader of our time. After that, I may also raise a course on mastering Forex trading with the U-Turn Detector Indicator. Also, there is an AI chart GPT analyst that will be able to analyze your chart based on this U-Turn trading indicator.
U-Turn Signals AI Analyzer is your passport into it. Imagine this. You already have the U-Turn Detector Indicator installed on your charts. You know its power. You've seen glimpses of what it can do. But if you're like most traders, you've probably struggled with analysis.
So what this analyzed AI will do, let's say you are now done with, you are tired with manually analyzing this chart. So what you do, you just take a screenshot like this one without annotating. So you just take a raw screenshot chart and upload it to the app, and then click that button, press that button of go, and then the tool will analyze the chart for you and give you the setups, the entry, the exit, the take profit, the stop loss level, the reason behind, and everything. It will teach you to master this strategy. So guys, after saying that, Forex has risk. Take time to start the tool and then master it. And after that, apply it wisely. Thank you for this demonstration. See you.
A structured, strategic, and intelligent trading ally. It thinks like the U-turn strategy itself, flawlessly applying May-CD logic, envelope rejection, zone stacking, and confirmation candles. It's like having Elias, the creator of the system, sitting beside you every time you trade. And what's the result? Clarity, confidence, and freedom from the exhausting cycle of manual chart analysis. This is your guardian compass in the Forex jungle. This is your edge. So I have just one question for you. Why wait? Why let uncertainty rule your trades when a tool like this exists? Why continue trading with stress, doubt, and second-guessing when this AI analyzer is ready to serve as your 24/7 analysis partner? Everyone is searching for an edge. You just found yours. Don't get left behind. The Forex world is evolving. The future belongs to those who trade with smart systems, not blind emotions.